Welcome back sa Buhok Gaming Channel. Okay guys, first of all, happy Friday. Okay, one day left and we can enjoy our weekend. So right now I received so many message in our Telegram group here in Buhok Gaming Channel asking Buhok Gaming, what is the best cryptocurrency to buy, considering that right now we are in the bull market or we are in the bull season. So for newbie right out there, if you don't know about bull market or bull season in the cryptocurrency, basically cryptocurrency prices are going high. So right now is the best time, okay, to set up your portfolio and choose what is the best cryptocurrency to buy at this very moment. Right now, guys, before we go further, I just want to tell you all that here in Buhok Gaming Channel, I'm not a financial advisor, and this content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. So before we proceed, let's just check CoinGecko. So guys, here in CoinGecko, if you can see, the current price for Bitcoin at this very moment is $104. So at this very moment, Bitcoin is still powerful and then still number one. But the question is, Buhok Gaming, right now I want to buy cryptocurrency. Right now I want to join and take advantage of this bull market. So before we proceed right now, guys, Buhok Gaming is one of the KOL and ambassador here in Bybit. And of course, Bybit is the only platform I'm using, okay, to my crypto trading, especially future trading. But today I have a good news for you. So guys, right now Bybit is offering this 10% cashback. So basically, if you use this Bybit card or this Bybit product, every time you use this, a guaranteed 10% cashback is to be expected. But Buhok Gaming, how can we join this 10% cashback? How can we get this exclusive promotion for Bybit? So actually, you need to follow 3 basic steps to enjoy the 10% cashback here in Bybit. So who can apply for a Bybit card? First of all, you need to verify your account. So that's the basic step. Now, make sure that your account is verified here in Bybit. It's very easy to verify anyway. So make sure to apply for Bybit card, submit your application, and step into a world of rewards. Number 2, or step 2, fuel your wallet. In my end, actually, for the Bybit, you need at least $100 in your Bybit account. But if you can see, for me, I already have 110 in my asset. But in my future account, since I'm doing trading, I'm putting all my money or dollar over there. But don't worry, $100, that's a maintaining balance. Yes, you can apply for a Bybit card. And number 3, earn 10% back instantly. Enjoy up to $150 for new users and $75 for existing within your first month. So be mindful with this one. If you're a new user, basically you don't really have any Bybit account, you can expect a $150 for new user. But like me, I'm an existing or I have an existing Bybit account. I'm expecting at least $75 for this one. Okay, Buhok Gaming, how can we use this Bybit cashback? So basically, everyday wins, get 10% cashback on a daily must-have, from groceries and dining to transportation, because you deserve reward. And then travel and explore. Whether it's flight, hotels, or experience abroad, enjoy 10% cashback on your journey. Make every time even more rewarding. So basically, you can use this Bybit card, very convenient. So right now, in our generation, only few people actually using cash. Okay, good thing, Bybit. And then be mindful with this one, guys. Bybit use cryptocurrency. Just imagine, you can use your cryptocurrency to buy, to access your travel, to go to your favorite hotel using your Bybit card. How convenient is that, right? And then finally, power your crypto life. Or life rather. Earn 10% back on subscription and gear like TradingView, Ledger, DeepSeek, and more. Fuel your tech-savvy lifestyle with smarter spending. And then top brand, 10% off, especially if you're using Netflix, Spotify, ChatGPT+, Care4, DeepSeek Pro, and Amazon Prime. So basically, if you use this application and many more applications, this is a guaranteed 10% off for this partnership. By the way, guys, I just want to show you the terms and condition, and please read everything here, because if we read all of this in this content, we're gonna burn so many times. So kindly read the terms and condition. But I want to show you this premium pathway. So first of all, free and instant. Yes, if you want to apply for Bybit card, basically you don't need to pay anything. Okay, this is absolutely free for new user and existing user. No annual, monthly, or inactivation fees. That's a good news for me. So like me, I'm using credit card. But this one, there's no annual fee. That's a big advantage for our user. Okay, exclusive cashback tokens, earn up to 10% cashback in BTC, Ethereum, AVAX, or USDC. For this one, I don't know if this is the specific cryptocurrency only, or there will be another cryptocurrency that 10% cashback will be available. But let's check about that. Okay, BIP only 8% APR, 4% for non-BIPs available to new users exclusively. Large access benefits, redeem reward points for global launch access. BIP enjoy 50% off. Okay, so guys, again, if you want this one, if you want to have your Bybit card, and that's for free, and as mentioned, okay, a while ago, we rarely use cash right now. Okay, we know we use all digital card, digital transaction, and then if you're familiar with that, annual fee, we pay annual fee, we pay some transaction fee if we're using those cards. But right now, as you can see, this Bybit card is no annual fee, no deactivation fee as well. So for me, that's a big advantage as a user and investor as well here in Bybit. As mentioned, lately, I'm using Bybit for almost 2019 something. This is one of my main tool in my crypto journey. Even that time, I'm not influencer, I'm not a content creator, but yes, I'm using Bybit. Not only Bybit, I have several platform using, but Bybit is the one that one trusted platform I've been using for a while. So anyway, all of this information, all of this link, I will put in the description, especially if you want to have your own card. And again, that's for free. For free, you don't need to pay anything. Okay, so guys, anyway, always remember, Book Gaming loves you all. See you again in my next video. Thank you.